Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update rent collection using AppFolio Payments. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AppFolio account. Once logged in, navigate to the Finance tab on the main dashboard. Select Payments from the drop-down menu. In the Payments section, locate and click on the Set up Payment Collection option. Choose the type of payment collection you wish to update, such as online or automatic payments. If you are updating online payments, select Online Payment Options. Review the existing settings and adjust any necessary preferences. To set up automatic payments, navigate to the Recurring Payments section. Click on Create Recurring Payment to initiate the process. Select the tenant or property for which you want to set up automatic rent collection. Enter the payment amount and frequency, then click Next. Review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click Save to finalize the automatic payment setup. If you need to notify tenants of any updates, head to the Communication tab. Select Send Message to inform tenants of the changes in rent collection. Compose a message detailing the updates and send it to the designated tenants. To verify the updates, return to the Payments section and check the status of the payment setups. Ensure that all details reflect the changes made correctly. That concludes the process for updating rent collection using AppFolio Payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.